Hello, my little yogis. Today, we're going to move, stretch, and feel amazing together. If you enjoy our yoga time, you can subscribe anytime. Ready? Let's go. Sit down and bring your feet together like butterfly wings. Hold your feet and gently flap your knees. Beautiful. Butterfly pose helps your hips relax and your body feel calm. Sit down, stretch out your legs, and lean forward gently like a sleepy turtle. Take a soft breath and let your back stretch gently. Wonderful job. Bend forward and let your head hang down like a sleepy elephant. Relax your shoulders and breathe softly. You're doing great. Squat down low and bring your hands to your heart. Keep your chest tall and smile gently. Excellent! Garland pose opens your hips and helps you feel light and calm. Lie on your tummy. Place hands under shoulders and lift your chest up like a cobra. Great. Cobra pose makes your back strong and open. Lie on your tummy and bend one knee like a bow. Hold your foot and gently lift your chest. Awesome! Feel the strength and focus of the bow. Kneel on the mat. Place your hands on your hips and gently lean back like a camel. Well done! Camel pose opens the chest and makes you feel brave. Sit with your legs straight, place your hands behind you, and lift your hips to make a straight line. Look gently up. Great job. Stay steady and breathe. You're already halfway through. Amazing. Keep going. Now, lie on your belly like a little bow. Bend your knees, grab your feet, and gently lift your chest. Awesome. You're strong and flexible, just like a powerful bow. Make an upside-down V with your body. Lift one leg up high like a happy dog. Press your hands into the floor. Great job. This pose makes you strong and playful. Great job! Now let's try the other side and stay balanced like a happy dog. Step 1 foot forward and lower your hips like a friendly lizard resting in the sunshine. Awesome! Lizard pose helps you feel strong and stretchy. Wonderful! Now let's switch sides and stretch the other leg. Bend your knees and stretch your arms up like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Sit tall with your legs stretched out in front. Keep your back straight like a strong staff. Awesome! This pose helps you to be stable and confident. Great job today, little yogis. You moved and breathed so well. If you had fun, remember to like and subscribe to join our next yoga adventure. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Relax, smile, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.